Exact mean example. The number of wickets taken by 8 different players in T20 series by Indian cricket team is given as 0, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 5, 6. Find the mean or the average number of wickets taken by each player. In order to solve this question, what I need to do, I need to create a table. So I'm going to create the table. So as you can see, this is my table and I already fill in all the information. My first column is wicket taken, which I'm using a symbol XI to represent for. So I got all this information from here. So as you can see, the number of wicket taken by different players are 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what I'm going to do, I'm representing these wickets in ascending order. So 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As you can see, we have 8 number of players and each player has taken these number of wickets. So basically, if you look at the numbers, there's only one player who did not get any wickets. So I will write 1 next to 0. There are 2 players who got 2 wickets, 1 and 2, which is over here. There's only one player who got 3 wickets, which is over here, and 4 wickets is taken by only one player. But there are 2 players who got 5 wickets, which is over here, and there's only one player who got 6 wickets, which is over here. So as you can see, my first column represents the number of wickets taken, and which is basically XI, which is basically also known as observation, and my second column is number of players, which is basically the frequency Fi. What I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply Xi with Fi. So my third column is basically the multiplication of these two columns. So 0 times 1 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 1 is 4, 5 times 2 is 10, and 6 times 1 is 6. Now, the last row that I have, I'm going to write total over here. Over here, I'm going to write the total frequency, which is basically sigma of Fi, and I will add all these numbers. And if I add all these numbers, I will get 8. Now, it's time for me to find the sum of Fi Xi, so I will write sigma of Fi Xi is equal to sum of all these numbers is basically 27. Now let's find the mean. So the mean is given as x bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi fi over sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to substitute the value of xi fi and sigma of fi from here and here to over here, and if I do that, I will write x bar is equal to 27 over 8, because my sigma of Fi Xi is 27 and my sigma of Fi is 8. So my 27 over 8 is equal to 3.375. And this is how we will find the exact mean from the given group data.